Hello dear student, we discuss about some important topics that is called gravitational. What is gravitational? What is gravitational? Gravitational is a type of force. Gravitational is a type of force between two bodies. Which type of force? Attraction or repulsion? Only and only and only attraction. Gravitational force attract one body to another body. In the universe, all the planets lie in the hanging in the atmosphere. That is due to gravitational force. The raindrop towards the center of the earth due to gravitational force. When we thrown a ball upward direction and then fall downward direction due to gravitational. The water flow, the rivers flow due to gravitational force. Gravitational force is the attraction between two bodies. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, gravitation is a force which applied between the two bodies, which always be attract first body to second body. Now come to the point. There is a figure, the two bodies, body A and body B, and the mass of the body A is m1 and mass of the body is m2, and the separation between the two bodies is r. Distance between the two bodies are r. Okay, no problem, very easy. You can say that the mass of A is m1 and mass of B is equal to m2, and the distance between the two bodies A and B is r. Okay, then the first body attract to the second body, attract. That's like a fruit attract from the earth. A fruit attract from the earth. And when we drop this marker and this is attract from the earth and fall down towards the center of the earth due to gravitational force. Similarly, this body attract to the second body. Similarly, second body also attract to the first body. According to gravitation is a force of attraction. What is this? This is attraction. Attraction, what is attraction? Attraction, attract to body, attraction. Between, खींचना कहते हैं उसको, खींचना. Between two bodies, दो body के बीच में. Gravitation is a force of attraction according between two bodies. Okay. What is the gravitational law? According to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. That is, what is this? According to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them two bodies. That is F proportional to m1 m2, F proportional to m1 m2, product of their masses, mass of first body, mass of second body, that is F proportional to m1 m2. Clear? Yeah, very good. And inversely proportional to the distance between the two bodies, square of distance between the two bodies, that is F proportional to 1 by r square. That is equation first, that is equation second. From equation first and second, we have F proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. F proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Very nice. Removal of the proportional and applying equal to, we put a constant, that is capital G, that means F is equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square, and the SI unit of the force is Newton. You know that what is a constant, what is capital G, what is the numerical value of the capital G, what is the SI unit of the capital G, what is or we can say that capital G. That is where capital G is a universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, that means in any place in this universe the value of G is not be changed. इस यूनिवर्स में कहीं पर भी इसकी वैल्यू बदलेगी नहीं, इसी को बोलते हैं यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट. दैट इज कैपिटल G इज इक्वल टू is a universal gravitational constant. Numerical value, what is the numerical value? G is equal to 6.67 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. You know that's what is how it is Newton meter per square. That is lesson force F here. Capital G, m1, m2, r square. Cross multiplication by G is equal to F multiply R, that is F into R square upon m1 m2 is divided. You know this is multiply and this is divide. I am right? I am right, yeah. That is m1 m2 m1 m2. What is the unit of force? Newton. What is the unit of force? F Newton. What is the unit of the distance? Meter, and this is square, that is meter square. Yeah, absolutely. What is the unit of mass? And mass, kg square. That means G is equal to 6.67 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. This is the universal law of gravitation constant. Okay, come to the point. This is the lesson number 3rd, gravitational. Gravitational is a type of force. Gravitational is a type of force which is attraction between the two bodies. It always act attraction to the two bodies. It never be repulsion. Never be repulsion. It always be attraction. When one body to attract to second body. You know, when we drop of this object from there, it's always be fall attracted by the earth. Always be attracted by the earth. There is no any confusion. Always be attraction. Okay. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That means multiples of the masses. That means if the masses are increases, then the force is also increases. That is F proportional to m1 m2, and also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies, that is F proportional to 1 upon r square. That means if the distance are increases, then the force are decreases. If the two bodies distance are increases, then the force are decreases. If the distance are decreases, force are increases. That's very simple. That's very simple. And calculating of this, we have to do a capital G, and putting the value of the capital G, we have to 6. Most important is 6.67 to the power minus 11. 6.67 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. So see, I think this is very important topics according to your board examination, according to your class test, everything. And this is one of the best theory of the Newton's, that is called, you know, a little story that's of apple fall on the Newton's surface. This is not correct story, but this story have given the law of Newton's law of gravitation. You see this? I hope there is no any problem calculating of this value. This is the definition, this is the figure, and everything is simple. It is represent m1 mass, m2 mass, A, body of A, B, force of attraction F, and R is distance between the two bodies. Very clear, very clear concept. There is no any confusion, no type of confusion. Exact clear concept you have to hear. That is the most important things in this video is G is equal to 6.6 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. From this data we can say that. Okay. One another things, this is always be attraction, never be repulsion. The two bodies always attract. And number 3rd, the body has the mass. Mass m. If it has no mass, no gravitational force held. If the body has mass, always be gravitational force held. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.